1969, built about 5 times. Runs good. It's all time 50 style Chevy. Custom. It's not a low rider like a lot of people think because they don't know the cars.
Yeah.
They think because it's low, it's a low rider. It ain't. It's a 1950 custom Chevy.
Where you got this from?
Where'd I get it from?
Uh-huh.
Hell, I can't remember. It's about this is 1969.
This is really beautiful.
Oh, I
bro.
bought it from a friend.
Okay. Let's see. What kind of engine is that? 350? Bro, your car is so beautiful, man.
It's a 350 tranny, 336 gears. Air ride suspension, custom interior, custom stereo, everything. Old school custom.
Awesome. Thank you, bro. Have a
Yeah.
good day. Ok, dinos algo de tu carro.
¿Qué?
Dinos algo de tu camioneta. Platícanos de ella.
Es una 48 City, Chop Down, 327, buena troca.
¿Cuánto vale una camioneta de estas?
20 pesos.
Nah, $20,000.
No.
Vale más, ¿no?
Sí.
¿Cuánto vale una camioneta de estas, Dave?
Esta no la vendo por...
No, pero normalmente ¿cuánto vale un vehículo de estos?
Aquí unos 300,000.
¿Sabes qué? ¿Tú la reconstruiste? O...
Bajé y lo hice poco, ¿no?
Ok.
Ya.
¿Cuántos años tienes con ella?
35.
35 años.
Sí.
Wow. Ok, gracias, Dave. ¿Cuál es tu nombre, bro?
Ted Martínez,
Ted Martínez. ¡Tú eres Ted Martínez!
también, también.
Otro Ted Martínez. Creo que tenemos como tres Martínez aquí. Ok. Platícanos acerca de tu vehículo, bro.
This truck here took me like 15 years to restore and all that. They don't have the original motor. It's got a 350 motor and a 350 tranny.
Okay. How long you been with this truck?
I'd say 15 years.
15 years?
When I bought it,
Uh-huh.
I paid $600 for it, and it was all beat up. Had original tires. They were
Awesome.
bald. And had a 6-cylinder motor, and the motor was blown, but we put a different motor and a different tranny in it.
So, how much you value your vehicle?
I paid $600 when I first bought it.
And how much you think is the value right now?
The value of it now is probably around $40,000.
Okay. So, where you came from, bro? Where you from?
This is a 1941 GMC.
Where you from?
I'm from West Jordan.
Where's Jordan? Okay, gracias, bro. Okay, tell us your name, bro. What's your name?
Gilbert Martinez.
Gilbert Martinez. Otro Gilbert Martinez. Tell us something about your vehicle.
It's not mine.
You pretending like I know it's not yours.
Ah, it's not
I
yours.
know the
Ah,
guy that worked his ass
is that
off
your
for
truck?
it. This is my car.
Oh, this is your vehicle.
I know it's not mine.
That's pretty
Take
nice.
pictures of everybody by the. It says, "Do you have a car here?" And I go, "No, but I'm going to stand by the one I want."
Okay. So tell us something about this one then. Now you're here.
Huh?
Tell us something about this vehicle.
Tell you a little bit. It's a 1932 Chevy.
Huh?
1932. Belonged to my grandfather.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, tell me something about your vehicle, bro.
All right, it's 41 pickup.
How much does it cost? How old is it? 41?
41. Yeah, 41. It's a Corvette suspension. 350 engine.
Did you rebuild the truck or how long it take you to do it?
5.5, 6 years.
Wow, awesome, bro.
All by yourself.
Yeah.
It takes your time.
How much you think this is cost one right now?
What's that?
How much you think is the cost of this one right now?
Say it again.
How much does it cost right now, if in case, what's the value of this vehicle?
Probably around 40,
40?
35, 40, somewhere in there.
Okay.
It's got 30 into it, so only $10,000 worth of labor, I guess.
Wow.
Short
What's your name, bro?
Rick.
Ray. Nice to meet you, bro. Welcome to the car show. Name, bro?
It's Andre Lopez.
Andre Lopez. Where you from?
Salt Lake.
Salt Lake City. Tell us something about your bike, bro.
This is a custom bike that I've done. The paint job's by Corey,
Uh-huh.
by David Pacheco's Utah Collision Shop. It's a 2001. It's been totally restored. It's got air rides on it. It's got all 120 spokes. It's
been restorated and cleaned up. So it's a beautiful bike that we.
Yo prado vedo.
Thank you.
Is the Supra yours? Awesome. What's your name, bro?
Gary,
Aaron.
yeah.
You tell me something about your car, bro.
Original owner,
Uh-huh.
purchased 1985. It was my 40-year-old fling. I just turned 40 a couple months prior. Daily driver for 16 years, 158,000 miles. I didn't quit driving it. I was in a van pool, and I brought it out in 2011 and had it resprayed, original color. Got 176,000 miles on it now, all original. The secret is sheepskin covers. Garage it every night, wipe it down, and no children allowed in the car.
Awesome. No children. That's perfect. Man, those teenagers love this car. It's fantastic car. Oh.
No, we'll get it. We'll get it. Yeah.
Hey, see, you are me veteran too, from Vietnam. Veteran. What's your name, bro?
Gary Miskey.
Let me see. Thank you, bro.
Yeah, most of the Peter put the kickstand in our big drum so they push it. Good.
¿Cuál es tu nombre, bro?
Yo me llamo Jorge González,
Jorge González. ¿Dónde eres, bro?
de Guatemala.
De Guatemala. Órale, chingón. Platícanos de tu carro, bro. A ver.
Mira, es un Lincoln
Ajá.
Town Car 86. Los diseños que puedes ver a un lado es trabajo mío. La pintura. Me llevó casi una semana por hacer cada diseño, cada lado. La parte de arriba también todo es diseño que un día de madrugada me desperté y vamos a hacerlo y empecé a hacer líneas y salió todo.
Órale, bro.
Aquí el top, uno de los muchachos que se llama José, él fue el que lo hizo, porque esto sí no me animaba a hacerlo yo solo, ¿verdad?
Ahora,
Entonces,
sí.
se lo di a él para que lo hiciera. Lo demás ha sido trabajo mío, el dashboard, este es trabajo mío.
Órale.
Aprendí a hacer tapicería yo cuando estaba pequeño con mi papá
Ajá.
y traigo los rines, les puse glitter también.
Ahora.
¿Y qué más te puedo decir? Me gusta cómo se ve. Lo tengo en airbags, no
Ajá.
es con hydraulics. Tuve que ponerle airbags porque tengo la espalda mía está lastimada.
Ajá.
Entonces tuvo que ponerlo así con airbags. But jala muy bien, tiene 124,000 millas corridas originales. Yo soy el segundo dueño del carro.
Awesome, bro.
Y pues ya tengo que poner 5 años tengo ya con mi carro. Tengo 5 años. Trato de mantenerlo lo más que pueda para que se vea decente. A mucha gente le gusta, lo mira, viene y me preguntan. Tiene la máquina original, la transmisión original, no se le ha cambiado absolutamente nada, ¿verdad? Y size de las llantas son 13,
Ajá.
son 13. Y corre bien, corre chingón. El nombre del carro lo podrás ver, Carmelito.
Carmelito. Órale, bro.
Ajá. Por el color. Y pues porque uno de mis hijos, el color de su piel es así como que fuera Carmelo. Entonces, Carmelito por él.
Ah, pero.
¿Verdad? ¿Y qué más te puedo decir? La parte de atrás del diseño también es diseño mío. ¿Quieres que lo levante?
Sí, vamos a ver qué hay ahí.
Te voy a enseñar aquí. Tengo los 12, 3 cuartos de la manguera para que suba y que baje bien despacio. Los air pumps están de aquel lado. Son Air Max. El tanque de aire es de 2,5 libras. Y como puedes ver, pues todo está bien. Grande también. Y ¿qué más te puedo decir? Te puedo decir que yo hago trabajos así como estos.
Ahora.
Y al ratito los voy a colocar allá donde voy a estar, ahí los voy a tener afuera.
De
El
pelo.
trabajo que he hecho.
Muy bien, bro. Muchas gracias, bro.
Pero ahí está, gracias a ti.
Vale. Tenga
Hola.
un bonito día.
Gracias, tú también.
¿Cómo te llamas, bro?
Me llamo Josué. Josh. My name
Josué
is Josh
Josh.
Gonzalez.
¿De
Yeah.
dónde eres, Josh González?
I'm from Salt Lake City.
Salt Lake City.
Yeah, born and raised.
Platícanos de tu vehículo, bro.
Well, right here we have a 1976 Lincoln Town Coupe. All original, has 34,000 miles. Yeah, it came straight from Michigan, straight to Provo out here. And as you can see right here, it came to Provo, and it's been in here in Utah, lived all its life out here. So yeah, we're with the 44 Lake Effect Car Club. So we got all these cars right here. We got a Mustang. We got
The Mustang yours too?
no, the Mustang's part of our club, but yeah.
Oh, it's part of your club.
Yeah. So,
Awesome.
Yeah, she's pretty clean, big old 460 in it, so she's all right. She's all right. I call her Queen Elizabeth because she's big like that, you know.
Awesome.
She's a boat.
Yeah.
She likes to float. Yeah. So,
Awesome,
yeah,
bro.
yeah. I'm glad you guys did this for the UFW, man. I appreciate it. Yeah.
So where's your shop? You have a shop?
No, I don't have a shop. No, I'm just a regular worker, man. Just like to buy cars.
Oh,
you know what I mean?
awesome,
Love
bro.
cars,
You
yeah.
did a pretty good job.
Yeah, man. Yeah. I pretty much bought it like that. Yeah, so she's clean though, you know.
Ajá.
Yeah.
Muéstranos el Mustang.
Oh,
Muéstranos el Mustang.
This is Gizmo's Mustang, and then his brother's car right here.
Come on, let's go see
Yeah,
it.
yeah. So this one's called El Guapo right here.
El guapo.
El Guapo, this is the car's
Órale.
name. Yeah.
Jetta Car Club.
Yeah. 44 Lake Effect
Awesome,
Car
bro.
Club. Yeah.
Come on, vamos
Yeah.
a ver de carrera. Platícanos también, a ver.
I think this is a 60. Is a 65 right here.
Ajá.
It's Gizmo's right there. He could probably tell you more, but he built this. Him and his dad.
Awesome.
351 Windsor in it. So yeah, it's a super nice car. His dad did the paint. He pretty much built the car. So yeah, put in a lot of work. Took him 30 years. And then this one's his younger brother. With a 540. This one's called El Cucuy right here. Check it out
Órale.
back here.
Ajá.
Yeah, you can see his name right here. El Cucuy's back here.
Ah, el Cucuy right
El
there.
Cucuy right
Awesome,
there.
bro.
Yeah. So this is El Cucuy.
Hey man, the paint is so
Yeah,
fantastic.
his dad
Check
did
the paint.
His dad's
Ah.
a painter by Ishmael Munoz. Did all
Órale.
the paint on this one and on that one.
So you just have a club, but you don't have a shop or...
No, we have a guy that has a shop, but he's a BK. He does all hot rods. BK Garage.
Alright.
He does all kinds of hot rods. So if you know anybody that needs any work,
Órale.
BK Garage.
Danos tu dirección, teléfono.
He just barely moved out to Stockton, to Will. I don't know his exact address, but he has a shop out there in Stockton. But I don't have the address because he just barely moved just barely a couple months ago. So yeah, not too bad of a deal. So yeah, he does some good work. Anything you need on hot rods.
Okay.
His name's Brandon Peterson. Get at him on Facebook. You'll find him out.
Okay.
BK Garage.
Thank you, bro.
So yeah,
Have a
you
good
too.
day.
Take it easy.